Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a high converting squeeze page funnel step by step, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button right below this video. This channel is all about growing your online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, landing pages, sales funnels or building websites, so you can take your business to the next level. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you exactly how to create a high converting squeeze page funnel inside Builderall and what elements are important to make it work. So I'm logging into my Builderall account and then I go to the left to this builders bar, then drag and drop pixel perfect and then sales funnels. On this page I'm gonna scroll down and choose squeeze page funnel, which is right here. I'm gonna select the funnel. And then I'm gonna scroll down and select edit template. It's gonna take me directly to the editor so I can start editing right into my squeeze page. So first thing first, I'm gonna save the page. I'm gonna hit save and then I'm gonna put like test squeeze page and then send and save. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to this affiliate network called ClickBank and I'm gonna go to affiliate marketplace. And for this particular example, we're gonna use product called Red Tea Detox. So I'm gonna scroll down and go to this health and fitness category. And on this page, I'm gonna sort results by gravity. This basically means the higher the gravity, the more the product sells. I'm gonna scroll down and as you can see, here is the second product, which is called the Red Tea Detox. I'm gonna open both links. This is the main link and also affiliate link. Okay, we will use something from this page to our squeeze page. I'm gonna stop the video. Okay, and now as you can see, here is some text we can use. You are about to discover the zero hunger red tea recipe that forces Lee's body to burn a total of 41 pounds of pure fat. So we're going to use that to our squeeze page to make it look nice and to ensure the highest possible converting rate. So let's go back to my editor and now I'm going to change this title. So let's make it free video reveals how to burn pure fat quickly and naturally with secret red tea recipe. Okay, now let's make it like this. Right. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Like this. Excellent. And now I'm gonna highlight several words so they stand out. So free video reveals, we can make it red. Like this. Also burn pure fat. We can make it also red. And let's put secret red tea recipe. Also red. Okay. Now instead of this, we will go back to this main page of the red tea and we can use this without killing yourself at gym, without starving yourself, without taking any dangerous supplements and without ever feeling hungry. So let's go back and do that. So without killing yourself at the gym, without, let's go back, starving yourself, starving yourself without taking any dangerous supplements, okay, and without ever feeling hungry. Okay, now let's make it look nice. That's too small. Okay, let's make it bigger. That's too big. Okay, like this. Oh, okay, it's good. Okay, now make it like middle. Great. And I will highlight this without and make it also red. Like this. Like this. Okay. Oh, this one also. Okay. Now I can move it like here. And then we are gonna connect this quiz page to one of our mailing lists. So if someone submits their information, they will be automatically added to our list. In order to do that, I'm gonna right click and then configure. As you can see, you have lots of autoresponders here. I'm gonna use Mailing Boss in this case. And then I'm gonna choose Red Tea Detox List. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna save the page and then save. Okay. If you don't know how to create a subscribers list, I'm gonna put a link in the description below, so go ahead and watch the video on how to do that. Anyways, we are gonna change this button right here. So I'm gonna right click and then button, and I'm gonna put like show me the video and then confirm. Okay, and I'm gonna move this down, and now we are gonna add one thing. So I'm gonna go left to this plus sign button and then choose text, which is right here, and then something small. Okay, I'm gonna move it right here. I can close this, and this I'm gonna change it to simply enter your name and email address below. Okay. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Like this. Okay, perfect. And now we are going to delete this logo here. We don't need it. Also this logo here. We can change this copyright to 2019 Red Tea Detox to make it look perfect. Okay. After they submit the information right here, we want to show them the video and send them to thank you page. In order to do that, I'm going to right click this form and then change URL. And where it says pending subscribe, I'm going to click on no action, then page, and then select thank you page. Okay, then I'm going to go this subscription confirm and do the same thing. So no action, page, and select thank you page. Okay. And where it says unsubscribe confirmation, I'm gonna send them to this quiz page. So no action, and then page, and then quiz page. Okay, and then confirm. Confirm, and we save the page. Save. Okay, so let's go to the thank you page and start editing right there. So let's go to thank you page. Okay, now we are here and we're gonna change this title right here. So I'm gonna put like congratulations, you are in. Okay, and I'm gonna change this text to watch the video below to discover how to burn pure fat quickly and naturally. Okay, let's make it like this. Okay, make it a little bit smaller, like for example this. Okay, and now move it right here. Okay, we're gonna change the video, so I'm gonna delete this one and I'm gonna go to this plus sign button, and then I'm gonna go to where it says audio and video. I'm gonna choose it and I'm gonna choose Vimeo. Okay, I'm gonna right click and then configure, and on this we will need a link for our videos. So let's go back to the affiliate page, and then I'm gonna scroll down, and where it says videos I'm gonna click it and then scroll down, and this is the link of the video, but all we need is this link. I will highlight it right here. So I'm just gonna copy it and I'm gonna go back to my editor and I'm gonna paste it instead this, like this, and then press confirm. And now we have our video right here. So I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna make it much bigger, like this for example. Perfect. And then I'm gonna delete this text, and call to action, we can change the text to, let's go text, and change it to, yes Patrick, I want it now. Okay, and press confirm. So once we do that, we can also make the button a little bit bigger, like this, and move it like this. Okay, it looks nice. It's pretty simple, as you can see. And one last thing, I want to redirect people to my affiliate link, so when they buy, you will earn a commission. So in order to do that, we need first affiliate link for this particular product. So I'm gonna go back to my affiliate page, and then I'm gonna scroll up, and where it says create your affiliate links, I'm gonna click this link. And then for this example, I'm gonna also use test ID, and we are gonna copy this link right here, which is standard linked and it's best converting. I'm gonna go back to my editor and then right click this button, and then where it says action, I'm gonna go to web address and then paste link right here, and then click OK. And then we save it and then save. Okay, so here is the deal. I go back to my squeeze page, and when someone puts their information on this squeeze page, they will be redirected automatically to my thank you page, and from there they can watch the video and they will be automatically redirected to my affiliate link. It's that simple. And one last thing, we need to activate that website before we can send traffic to it. So I'm gonna go back to my Builderall account, and then I'm gonna scroll up and go to my sites. And now we find our website or squeeze page funnel, which is this one, and I'm gonna hit publish and then OK. And it's done. Okay, I can open it. And as you can see, this is our squeeze page, which looks nice, and also it's simple, and this is really important. All you need to do now is to send traffic to the squeeze page funnel using either free traffic or paid traffic. If you don't know how to send traffic to the squeeze page, I will put a link in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. After they submit their name and email address right here, you will receive their contact information and they will become your leads. And now you are able to send them regular emails with lots of valuable stuff. I'm gonna show you guys that on this affiliate page, if you scroll up and you click these email swipes. You can use new email swipes or old ones. Also there are the Holy Grail swipes, but I would recommend using your own emails, because everybody is using these email swipes and you don't want to spam your leads. You want to provide as much value to them as possible. You are building trust with them, and over time they will become your paying customers. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out the Builderall or other videos I mentioned here, I will put all links in the description so you can check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like this kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go and comment below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as best I can. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.